How to get unbanned from Omegle on iPhone without VPN. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned from Omegle on iPhone without VPN. First of all, open up the settings. Scroll down and click on Safari. Once you get into Safari, then tap to clear history and website data. And turn on the option Block All Cookies. Website may not work if you do this. Existing cookies and website data will also be removed. Tap to block all. After that, open up the web browser and search here Omegle. Then tap to open up its site. Tick the checkboxes of age restricted, then tap on confirm and continue. After that, allow Omegle to access the camera and microphone. Now you're ready to chat with strangers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.